Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever been curious about how to quickly and effectively add multiple moving averages to your TradingView charts, and how this can enhance your trading strategy, you're definitely in the right spot. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up short, medium, and long-term moving averages on your charts, with clear visual cues, giving you a powerful tool for reading market trends at a glance. Let's jump right in and get these moving averages set up together. First things first, on your TradingView chart, you'll notice a menu towards the top that says Indicators. Go ahead and click on that. This is essentially your toolbox for technical analysis. There are tons of indicators here, but today we're focused on moving averages, one of the building blocks of trading strategies. In the search bar that appears, simply type in Moving Average. You'll see it pop up, usually right at the top of the list. Now, to get the most out of this strategy, we want to view the market from 3 different time frames. Short, medium, and long. That's why we're going to add 3 separate moving averages. Here's a little tip: double-click on Moving Average 3 times quickly. With each click, a new moving average will show up on your chart, and you might see the lines start to overlap. If it looks a little messy right now, don't worry, we're about to organize everything. Let's start personalizing these moving averages so they each represent a different period, making them more informative and easy to read. Begin by double-clicking on your first moving average line. This will open up the settings box. Look for the section that says Length. Set the length to 20. What this does is it calculates the average price for the last 20 periods. This is perfect for tracking short-term price movements, giving you insight into recent momentum. While you're in here, don't forget to change the color of this moving average to something that stands out for you. Maybe a bright blue or green, really. Whatever helps you recognize it instantly whenever you look at your chart. Hit OK to lock those changes in. Next, let's move on to the second moving average. Find that line on your chart and again double-click it to bring up the settings. This time, set the length to 50. Now, with a length of 50, this moving average gives you a sense of the medium-term trend. It's like zooming out just a bit so you can better see if the market is generally moving upward, downward, or going sideways, beyond just the short-term noise. Change its color as well. Maybe choose something different from the first one for easy comparison, like orange or purple. Once you're happy with your color, hit OK. Finally, the third moving average is our long-term trend watcher. Double-click on this last line, open the settings, and set the length to 200. This one smooths out a lot of the immediate ups and downs and helps reveal the overall market direction over the long run. Imagine looking at peaks and valleys from a mountain top, rather than from the ground. Again, change the color to something distinct that makes sense to you. Saving each line with its own color is a small step, but trust me, it'll save you so much confusion when you've got a busy chart. And that's it. Once you've set those lengths and colors, you've just added 3 of the most useful moving averages to your TradingView chart. These will help you spot crossovers, trends, and key support or resistance levels at just a glance. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. If you have any questions or if you want to share your own tips for using moving averages, drop a comment down below. I love hearing your insights. And if you want more step-by-step trading tutorials, make sure to subscribe so you never miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.